Introducing Sam Wiener invention, Sneezing Guard, 2-in-1 combo, double face shield. Double face shield is clear shield and fabric shield. This fabric shield is waterproof to protect from virus, convenient, easy to use. Just put it on your face and this Velcro attachment just attach. And now we could work, we could socialize, and it is easy to breathe. And the most important, we don't touch our eye, nose, and mouth and face with hands that could be with virus, because we're touching everything. Very important to wash hands and not touch face. This double face shield will prevent from virus, and also it will be helping to recover economy, because it is easy to work with this easy shell and easy to recover. It's easy to make, inexpensive, and this could be made in USA, millions per month, to provide to every person in the United States, even in the world also. Invented by Sam Wiener. This is easy to keep in the car. Just roll. Just roll this. Put it in the box and keep in the car. When you come from the car, you just take it, put it in your mouth, on your face, and adjust one size fit most for men and women. It is very convenient and very helpful to prevent from virus. Invented by Sam Wiener. Enjoy.
Какую красную.